Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Nothing says summer barbecue like sweet and zesty baked beans. So today, that's what we're going to make. Now, normally I make sweet and zesty baked beans with bacon. But now that my husband is a vegan, bacon is literally off the table. Now, if I'm willing to make these baked beans without bacon, it must be love. Anyway, we're going to do them in the slow cooker. Let's get started. You will need 4 15-ounce cans of Great Northern beans, or whatever beans you like to use, 2 onions diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of spicy mustard, a ½ cup of ketchup, a ¼ cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, ½ cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, ½ teaspoon of liquid smoke, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. In a large nonstick pot over medium heat, cook your onions until they become translucent. Add the garlic and cook for 5 minutes more. Then stir in your beans. Then add the rest of your ingredients. Stir well to combine. Then pop it in your slow cooker. Set it for 4 hours on high. And enjoy. And that is all there is to it. You will not miss the bacon. I promise you. They're so good, you'll go back for seconds. And maybe thirds. Go ahead. I don't judge. Help yourself. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me. You know I love to hear from you, and I will write back. Become a subscriber and join me again at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.